Hey blues guys and gals. So I'm looks like I'm just back with the guitar you saw recently, but I'm actually back with an EVH 5150 40 watt combo. Check this puppy out. True story. Alright. So we are just jamming on this. I wanted to show you all the combo sound. Everyone was giving me heck in the last video. I wasn't dive bombing enough, and I didn't set up my Floyd properly like EVH and all this nonsense. So just thought we'll do a rerun for all the haters. Alright, let's go y'all. This is a great combo right now. It's just on the standby. There's a cool switch on the back for 1/4 power. So this is a 40 watt combo as it is. It comes in a 15 watt also. This is the bigger baby, but the quarter power, we're turning it down to 10 watts. So it's very manageable for bedroom levels as well as stage use. And it's a great guitar. Great guitar. All right, so let's get it on. I'm gonna push the standby button and we're just gonna play. I have another video review of this if you want to go see my other sloppy review. I'll just show you one quick look in the light here because it is a sparkle gold. All right, that is something that really caught my eye about this guitar. Well, not just the looks. The EVH is what I was after. That neck feel of Eddie Van Halen in his pickups. That's what I really wanted. So let's turn this standby switch on. I also have a MXR phaser here. It's plugged in, so I don't want to take it off the ground. I didn't get the EVH phaser yet. If any of y'all have the EVH or have had it, let me know in the comments if you think that it's worth it, the upgrade in price. Because I know they charge a little more, that his name's on there. There might be a little modifications inside of the chassis. But yeah, let me know if you think the EVH pedals are worth it or just the standard. I got the MXR standard. Chorus 90. Alright y'all, just turning on my pedal here. Got a power supply. Alright, let's get it. We're just gonna have some fun. And I'm only going to be playing on the bridge pickup today. Eddie Van Halen himself said he never really found a neck pickup that he liked very much. He found one that's suitable best for this guitar, but yeah, he'd be playing on the bridge himself, I'm sure. Let's get it, y'all. sustains pretty well for a bolt-on neck. That's partially to do with Eddie's design on this and the amplifier itself. I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, y'all, because I know y'all are great in the comments of helping me out with stuff I'm not aware of. Okay, the resonance is literally to resonate longer. Is that correct? The resonance knob, as far as I know, that's to make your notes sustain longer. Or if not, correct me on that one. What is the resonance knob for, y'all? Appreciate y'all, okay, for coming around for the EVH Wolfgang standard. Mind you, this is not the USA, it is the standard, but this standard is the only one that has the sparkle finish. The special doesn't come in a sparkle. It comes in a different kind of gold. So that's something real interesting about this one. Might be looking into one soon with a ebony fretboard, although this baked maple is delicious. Turn off my pedal here, making a little sound. There we go. Now we're quiet. It's got a built-in noise gate on there, so I can turn down any unwanted hum. And then we got about 3 levels of gain. Okay, we got crunch, rock and roll, and metal, essentially, what we'll say. Okay, 2 channels. You got the pedal. I actually have the pedal that it came with, so I haven't delved into that yet, but we'll figure that one out soon. Thanks for coming around, y'all. If you have any questions for me, I'll do the best, or everyone else is very responsive too. If you have any questions, just say it in the comments. Someone will figure it out for you. All right, catch you on the next one, y'all. Have a good one.